OnePlus 8 series is receiving a new update based on Android 11, and this time it's for the beta channel. Just few days back we received the stable version of Oxygen OS 11, and now we have the third build of Open Beta for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. If you are running stable version of Oxygen OS 11 on your OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro, you need to manually update your device to latest beta version. File of Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 3 can be found in the description below. You just need to download that file and place it inside the internal storage of your device. So here we have the file, and migrating from stable version to beta version won't affect your data. After you have placed the file inside internal storage, go to Settings, System Update. You need to tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner. Then select Local Upgrade and choose the file which you placed it inside the internal storage. Tapping on Install Now, and the installation process might take around 5 to 6 minutes. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. Our device has been successfully updated and booted up. Now we have the latest version of Open Beta based on Oxygen OS 11. Let's talk about the software information. Here you can see device is OnePlus 8, Android version is Android 11, and the build number says Open Beta 3. With Open Beta 3 we get the latest security patch, which is 1st October 2020. I have been using this update from almost 12 hours and I haven't noticed any kind of major bugs yet. We get the same launcher version which was available on stable update, which is 5.0.1. With Open Beta 3 there are few changes done with the camera UI also. Now the filters option have been moved towards the bottom side, and by which you can access all the filters on your OnePlus 8 series. And initially we used to get a setting tab over here on the right top corner, but that has been removed. Now where you get all the options of your camera functions, like if you are recording a video, directly you can change the frame rate, resolution, aspect ratio, and if you still want to access settings, you can tap on this gear icon. Under videos category, they have removed the focus tracking feature which was available on the previous update, and it's still available on stable version. And now we have got a new feature. You can use long press shutter to record videos or take burst photos. So minor UI changes have been done with related to camera app. And finally, slight improvements can also be seen with the picture quality. Lots of improvements can be found with portrait photos using front and back camera. Edge detection and depth effect is now perfect. Here we have a huge list of changelogs which are related to system, ambient display and Zen mode. Under system they have done few optimizations, and now calling UI is little bit smoother than the previous one. Later they have optimized the background process management mechanism to improve standby performance. Along with that they have also fixed the text was blocked in some games. I've never faced such kind of issues. If you guys have faced, then do let me know in the comment section below. Then few general bug fixes, and later updated the security to 1st October 2020. Now talking about the new feature which is related to ambient display. Initially OnePlus added a new feature of canvas which is still in beta phase, but this feature was only being supported with ambient display, and now it also have a support of always on display. From the customization section you can choose this canvas feature, and which can also be now used with always on display. But this feature also drains a little bit extra battery. I left my device at 74% overnight, and when I woke up the battery was around 65%. So almost 9% of standby battery drain can be seen throughout the night. Wherein with normal always on display, I used to always have around 5 to 6% of battery drain throughout night. Let's see how OnePlus optimize it in future updates. Last but not the least, few fixes have been done related to Zen mode. I usually don't use this feature on my OnePlus devices. If you guys face any kind of issues on Zen mode, then do update me in the comment section below. Now talking about the benchmark results, on Open Beta 3, single core have scored 894 and multi-core have scored 3098. On the previous update, which was Open Beta 2, on that single core had scored 876 and multi-core had scored 2569. On Antutu benchmark application, Beta 3 have scored 5,74,325. But on Beta 2 scores were little high, wherein Beta 2 scored 5,83,621. So guys, this was all about the latest Open Beta and the latest update from OnePlus for OnePlus 8 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.